Hello and welcome to another episode of Ciao on Tour. This time we are at the cafe place in Slovakia. This is a town in Trenčín, which is north of the capital Bratislava. This place is called Dubnica. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in and talk to the owner. His name is Ondrej, and he's going to show us how they make Lungo in this coffee shop. Come and join me. This is Ondrej. He is the owner of the shop. Tell us about your coffee shop.
Well, we originally started 4 years ago. Me and my sister found it, and first of all we started with just classic Italian coffees, and later on we started to do specialty coffee, and last year we started roasting our own coffee also. So right now we have our own coffee shop, coffee roastery, and we are developing in kind of new wave in specialty coffee.
Wow.
Well, specialty coffee in Slovakia, it's just starting, to be honest, like where we at right now, Dubnica, where we are located. Specialty coffee, whenever we started, like no one knew around here what it is and how it tastes. And what we like to teach people is that that coffee is a fruit, you know, and for us it's kind of the most important thing is that it's fruit and it should taste like it grew. We don't like to roast pretty dark roast because we like to show the clarity and cleanliness of the coffee cherries.
So you use mostly medium roast or light roast?
Yeah, light roast. Even our espresso roast are, you would call it Omni, which is for the filter and espresso.
Okay.
That's our espresso roast. And for filter, you cannot really use it for espresso because it would be like too acidic,
yeah,
you know.
I think my viewers would be interested to let you show us how you make your Lungo. It's a little bit different from the normal way, and Ondrej is going to explain to us why he's doing it that way.
All right, let's do it. So today, on the grinder we have beans from Guatemala. It's washed coffee from San Francisco Cotzal, and we roast it quite not so dark, you know, as I said before. And how we do Lungo is probably much different than the other coffee shops that you know. As I said before, we roast pretty not dark, and we don't like bitterness in coffee, which means if you want to make a Lungo, like a long shot, for example 45-50 seconds, on the espresso machine, it will show a bit of harshness, bitterness, which we don't like, and we would like to show just the cleanness of the coffee. And so for Lungo, we put 18.2 grams, which is right now the grinder is set for that, and we pull 43 grams of coffee. So it's almost like 1.1 to 1.5. Yeah, something like that. All right, we put it in. The degrees are set to 93, which is not as high as we usually go for our more light coffees. Guatemala is just bit more classic than other coffees we serve. It has a caramel chocolate taste and a bit of raisins in the aftertaste. So we like to pull it on the lower temperature so we don't get that harshness or bitterness. So this is our single shot, two of them 21-22 grams, and how we serve it is that we put it on side, and on the side we put a little bit of hot water, which makes it easier for our customers because they can actually dilute it as they want, which means that it's normal espresso, but you dilute it yourself. So it's not the long shot as you might know it, but it's a single espresso with the water on the side. Yes.
What do you do with the other shot?
The other shot? You mean this one?
Yeah, you keep it with the next drink.
If I can, if there is a lot more people than right now in the cafe, I put it to the side and I use it for cappuccinos.
Right.
If not, I'll drink it myself.
Oh, so you drink a lot of coffee?
Yeah,
a day.
quite a lot.
Do you actually make pumpkin spice latte?
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, I would like to try that.
Would you like some?
Yeah, maybe.
From the start, we pull double shot of espresso, so 45 grams, and pumpkin. Where are you, pumpkin? Over here. We use La Maison, which are these syrups. We don't like any other ones because these don't have as much added flavor to it. It's just, I mean, it has a lot of sugar, but it's not so chemical after all.
Yeah. So what you do is this is just a ready-made pumpkin spice.
Yes.
Right. Oh,
So
okay, from 1883.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we pulled our shot
Right.
right now. Give me a sec. Túto odmerku malú máme. Okay. So we put 20 milliliters. Actually, it's 0.2 milliliters. Sorry. Of that inside the coffee. We stir it.
Right.
These syrups are actually made just for coffee. So what happens with syrups which are just classic syrups? Usually when you put milk in it and it has syrup in the coffee, sometimes the milk and the coffee are not getting together.
Don't blend
Yes,
together.
perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the word.
Okay.
So what kind of milk would you like?
Just the regular milk.
Okay, let's do that.
So what milk options do you offer your customers?
Well, we serve sprout, which is, I believe, I'm not sure how is it called in English, but let me see. It's plant-based, made from peas.
Okay.
So this one we really love, and people love it also.
For those that are lactose intolerant.
Yes, but you were asking me about the coffee culture over here before. We sell 50-50, so 50% of the milk drinks are regular milk,
Yes.
and other half is non-dairy.
But I noticed that many people here would prefer them just espresso.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Well, it's, you know how it is. We are really close to Italy, so you know how in Italy it works like that. You just come to your shop, pay on the bar,
Right.
you get your small ristretto, and they go.
Yeah. That's right.
And that's how it was and how it used to be here. In other coffee shop, it still works like that.
Okay.
So they are used to either long shots of Lungo or like small ristretto, which they just drink and they go.
They go, or they have like a few shots.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, okay.
And we have some customers which are actually like coming to the shop 4 or 5 times a day and just for a small espresso shot. So it's
That's good business for Ondrej.
yeah, exactly. We need more of those.
More of them.
All right, we have our milk.
Okay. Now that's.
And there you have it.
Oh wow. Okay, pumpkin spice latte a la Ted Mitchell. Wow.
How is it?
It is very good, I must say. I love the taste of this syrup. I mean, I haven't yet done a review of the 1883 syrup, but Ondrej's right that it tastes so much more like natural,
Yes,
less
yes.
synthetic. I mean, a lot of people have been asking me to do a review of this syrup. I might do that in the future, but I definitely love this. It's the balance of the coffee and the taste of that syrup is just perfect.
All right.
It's beautiful.
That's why we chose it. And back in the day, we used to do our own syrups.
Right.
But later on, whenever we started selling more and more,
Yeah.
we just couldn't make it enough.
Don't have time. Yeah, I know. I always teach my viewers how to make their own syrup. But yes, there is a balance there. You really have to see whether you have the time.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, if we would have time, the syrups were actually pretty nice, but I wouldn't say it's better than this one.
Right. Okay, there you go. Now I'll just try the Lungo. Okay, I'll try it without water.
Yeah. That's what we usually tell our customers. Just try out the single shot,
water first.
and if it's too much,
okay. Now it is because it is on the lighter roast, right?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
we roast as Nordic roasters.
Yeah, it is a little bit on the fruity, a little bit of sour taste.
Yeah.
Now let me just put all of this.
Well, you can try half maybe.
Half maybe. Yeah. So this is like.
So what the water does to it is that it will fade away the acidic tones, but also the tones. If there would be any bitterness, it would just shorten the span of the
acidity and the,
yes, exactly.
So it will just balance it off, really.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Okay, now I'm going to try this with a little bit of water. Okay. Right. Yeah, you're right. But I think that I prefer it without the water.
Yes. Okay.
No, it's a completely different taste. You add a little bit, and yes, it balances. It's less strong.
Yes.
Yeah, I think some people would like it with a little bit more water. And also the Lungo shot, like Ondrej did it, is that you have the option to add water later. So that means it is not over extracted. Because if you pull it long, it could be quite bitter. What you'd like to tell our viewers?
I don't know, you just have a great day and drink your coffee every day.
Yes, may your coffee be always strong, and that you can come here next time in
Sedmička.
And then you can find them on Instagram. I'm going to put it down below, so if you want to visit here, please check out the description box below. In the meantime, thank you so much, Ondrej, for having us, and we'll see you again for more Ciao on Tour episode. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.